Is this something that was meant for this, or was it repurposed for this?
No, it was actually invented for recording surf competitions. Yeah. So a surfer, it's waterproof, so the surfer would wear it on, put it on the beach.
That's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
And then they kind of adapt it for different things.
Yeah. And you sort of figure out how far out, how much of a pan.
Yeah.
It zooms itself.
It keeps itself.
It zooms itself.
Yeah.
How does it know how much?
You keep it. You set it where you want it to zoom, and then it'll stay there. So based on where you the parameters that you set it
relative to the ref.
But it doesn't
Correct.
change.
So you keep the ref kind of in that.
Right.
That's cool.
Hi, Captain.
I'm excited for the next one to come out because the next one comes out in May, and this takes about 30 minutes to set up and warm up. The next one takes, they say, 30 seconds. And at that point, once it's set, I can take it up at altitude. So I can put on a big pole. Yeah. A drone would work too, but
Come on, Stanford! Give it all you got, Kay! Go get us! Take him down! Get a leg!
all right.
Fine.
Oh, well done. That's cold. Good. That's so I'm having her say cold, which is relative to what's going on at the tackle.
Go ahead! Good teamwork, guys! Good teamwork! That's the way!
So good positioning. I'm hearing you say hearing you saying slow, which is slowing yourself down, and more importantly, I'm hearing you say cold a couple of times. So, and you're now getting the recognition. So the idea now is to start looking up, see where the next phase is going to be.
David, 22. 22.
Are you talking to the ref?
Yeah. I have a problem talking to myself. It's just picking up her because she'll watch the video later on.
I see. And you're just coaching her on learning to ref.
Correct.
Strong, Chelsea!
Did you get that?
No.
Going the right way.
Hey, Ken, take a step in.
But see, that's the thing, I still like,
So if you take a look on that re-kick, you're going to see that players may have been offside of the kick. Just get them back in that another step. Good transition. Oh, well, good pass. Well done.
Push her back, Stanford! Push her back! Get her back! Get her back! Get her! Get that ball, Stanford! Push her back, Stanford! Push! Go get it, Stanford! There you go, go back there!
Nice, good call.
Go right. Hey, we gotta put in one, two, and one time, let's go.
But that's a cop, we were not.
Does it also pick up her comments?
I'm sorry?
Does this also pick up her comments?
That's what this is for.
I see. Huh.
Here we go. Here we go. Look here. Here we stand up for a second. Here. Okay, you can lean in this one. Okay. Set. Okay, then you have the line and hold. Okay. Turn. Line. Sit. Go, David. Go. Leave it, leave it.
Good positioning. Good. Now transition. Good space.
Come on, Stanford! Keep going, Stanford! Go ahead! Go ahead, Stanford! Go ahead!
Good pace. Good pace. Get into goal. Okay, it's poor form to get there before the player, though. You gotta let her. You gotta let her get there before you.
Last time I was here, he keeps giving me shit because it's not good form to outstroke the cover difference.
With 7's referees, that was always a fun thing, is to get there before the play, just because I can.
Ross is sickening for that.
I know he is.
Just he blazes past him and then
Yeah.
just walk through it.
He's tiny. I know. So when Rosto first came into the IRB, I met him my last year when I was on 7th Circuit, and South African, right? Not really known for drinking, so we take him out at night, and at some point during the course of the evening, he started getting body shots. First time to it, and he's like, "I love the United States."
He's a nice guy.
Yeah. Good pace. Oh, well done. That was perfect positioning. I don't recall you being that fast. You must have been working on it.
22, ladies, 22. Jog it up, 22.
Very good first half. So good positioning. It's bad form to get into a goal right before the player, so try to give him some grace. But on that, no, it's very good.
fair, man. That's pretty sweet, you guys. I agree with that. Not even cool with the Thank you. Good, ladies.
Come on, Stanford!
So good job.
Get on the win!
You're in this
Hey,
side,
Stanford! Run like the wind!
All right, red captain. Red captain.
You got this, Stanford!
Okay, thank you.
Ahead, Stanford!
Ladies, there's a bench arm up here. I got here. Back 10. Up here. Take it up. Take it up here. Back. That's it. Take away, Pam. Wait, that's the thing.
If she's playing around with it.
Make it happen, guys! You can do it, Stanford! Keep going! Give her some help! Give her some help!
Lee, on that, on the free kick that you awarded, did she pick it up and ground it immediately, or did she play around with it in goal? That's the distinction on whether or not it's a 50 or not. If she picked it up and played around with it, it becomes a 22. And I didn't see it, so I didn't know. But if she picked it up and grounded it immediately, then it becomes a free kick on the 50.
You're the next 10, to 5. Okay, if it goes in angle, if you ground it, it's a front arm. Keep it at 15. If he grounds it in angle and it doesn't take it touched by anybody else, it's a bench arm. It's different than 15.
Come on, Stanford! Go ahead!
So just an issue on positioning with where you were. She was kicking it to the left and you were lined up to the left. rule of thumb is that you'll want to see the ball and the teams that are receiving, the players that are receiving. You don't want to be in between the two because you can't see both. Those restarts are those essences where you can see everything. So try to have the ball in front of you with the chasers in front of them, just so you see everything.
If you're going to be a receiver, I need to see before the lineup starts, so figure it out beforehand, okay? Defense! Line?
Push, Stanford, push!
You can do whatever you want, you don't have to wait for me.
Push, Stanford, push! Get it, Stanford! Go, 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 go!
Yeah. Save the yellow.
All right, Stanford.
Save the yellow. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Dig deep, Stanford. Make your roots and push.
Yeah, you're 7's, you don't have to wait for me to hold it. What number? What number?
Hey, Catherine! Push, Stanford, push! Push, Stanford, push! Stanford, go get it! All right! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Help each other! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Go, Dan.
And that ball comes out, you can be a blocker, okay? If that ball's out and you block her next time, it's going to be so either go for the ball or get out of it. Quick is off! Quick is off!
Come on, Stanford!
Quick is off! If it touches anything, then it's quick is off. Throw the ball.
So I think you need to distinguish between quick throw-in
Back 10. Back
a
10.
quick
Back
line
10.
out.
And I need you in within 2 meters.
Nothing in law says I can't do a quick line out, but it has to meet all of the requirements of a line out, meaning it has to go in straight, it has to go in 5. When you say it can't be quick, they can still do a quick line out. They just can't do a quick throw-in. So make sure you distinguish in your own language and in your own mind. Quick throw-in, anybody can do any time. They just got to meet all the requirements of the line out law. Quick throw-in has to have specific requirements. It can't be touched by anybody. It has to be behind the mark.
Push back! Push back! Get her! Get her!
if we go back to that one a couple of phases ago, you anticipated play was going to come to the right, but you've got nobody on offense aligned to the right. You anticipated, because everybody lined up on the left side, so just be aware of sometimes teams are not going to do what you expect. But you were right in anticipating play to go right, but when you recognize that there's nobody there, there's no reason to move right.